we have to move forward. Click on done option. I am done. Next we have to update the other stuff in our app. We have to put our own email here. I have put my own email, and in this section in about info we have to write some description about ourselves, who we are. So I will write stuff like I am an app developer and what is my name and what is my Instagram account and account link and what is my YouTube account link. So I will put this kind of stuff so that all my app visitors come to my Instagram account and they follow me on Instagram and they subscribe my YouTube channel. So I will put this kind of stuff here, right? You can do whatever you want. You can put anything here. Professional app developer. In this way, if someone email you to design some kind of app for me, so you can take that project for him, and you can earn money in that way also, right? So this is a good idea. I'm Navidullah Khan and a professional app developer and web developer, right? A professional app and web developer. Professional app web developer, and subscribe me on YouTube. I'll put my YouTube channel link here. This is my YouTube channel link. So I think these are enough. We have to move next, right? We have to update these stuff. What is your company name? Holysoft, right? What is your email? naurangfareed@gmail.com. What is your website? For the time being, I will put googlerangta.com. If you don't have any website, put any random website, and whenever you have a website you can put it in another app version, right? Put my mobile number here. WhatsApp. To delete. We have updated all these stuffs. Now we have to look at the documentation, what they are saying. So change the package name video, right? So let's watch this video, copy the link and watch this video. To change the package name video, copy this video link and paste it in your browser and visit it. You will see this video, right? So what they are doing, let's see. In order to update our package name, we have to since we have this kind of file, right click on the top file and com.cd.status saver and click on refactor, right? And click on rename. Here we have to click on rename, right? So no, we don't want to change it. We want to since there were only these files, Java, I was seeing these files only, right? You have to come here. uh, from here you have to select the project. If it is only packages, then you will not see the all these files, or if it is only Android, so you will see here only Java file. So click on project file, you will see all files, and from here come to inside main, com.cd.status saver.